This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study without Anki step by step. Start by setting a single clear goal for each study session, then pick active recall methods like flash questions, practice problems, and teaching aloud. Schedule focused 25 to 50-minute blocks with short breaks, and cyclically review older material every few days to preserve memory. Stay consistent, track results, and tweak methods that match your learning style. Use simple tools to force retrieval and build durable memory. Write short question cards by hand or in a note app, then answer them without looking. Teach key ideas aloud to yourself or a study partner, and record explanations for later review. Regularly do timed practice tests or problem sets to mimic exam conditions and identify weak areas. Rotate topics so older material resurfaces naturally in your schedule. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, makes a great companion to disciplined study habits for long-term goals. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick it up if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Build a simple schedule that spaces reviews and keeps content fresh. Plan initial intensive study, then review sessions after 1 day, 3 days, and 1 week for difficult items. Mark high-impact topics like core formulas or key cases and revisit them more often. Track how well you recall items and adjust session length or frequency to fit attention and memory needs. Small, consistent steps beat last-minute cramming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.